go through the materials that we gonna use on this project now. The undercoat we are using is straight edge interior undercoat. Pretty much you can use any interior undercoat on any plaster walls or render walls, but so for some finishes you're gonna need different undercoat. But basically like 80% of the job is acrylic undercoat. The tools we are using on this one and any other painting jobs, the frame, use it. It's from Rotakota, 270 mil. So this is the frame we're using. This is the heavy duty frame, and they're really good frames because they can last longer than any other frames that you can buy for cheap. Sleeve that we are using is Pro Series, premium quality. It's 11 millimeters thickness in here for the walls, so 11 millimeters. They leave really nice finish, especially on G-Block walls. And the brushes that we are using is a 63 mil wall brush, smooth coat, really good brush and very affordable too. So most of the time we use these brushes from Unipro, so they're really good for cutting in. Something that we come across very regularly on plaster walls, G-Block. What happens? The paper lifts up from the plaster underneath and creates the bubble. As you can see, it's separated from the plaster underneath. So what we have to do, we just cut it out like that using a knife. The reason why this happens is normally when you repeatedly hit it on a plaster wall, that smashes the plaster underneath. As you can see, it's broken, and that's why the bubble gets created. The only way to do this is to remove it, because it's not possible to patch it without removing it. Otherwise the paper will have air underneath it and it will have that bubble all the time. Once we remove the paper, we cut these edges in 45 degrees. The reason why we cut this is for the new plaster and the wall to blend in, so you don't see these edges. This is patched. This is the best way. As you can see, it's just 45 degrees there, and they're gonna blend in perfectly once we put the patch in. Apply the patch on it. This is the product that we're gonna use for patching those holes in the G-Block. So yeah, we're gonna apply probably about 2 coats, maybe 3 coats of this product. It's all-purpose compound. So yeah, it's pretty good for this.